Morning, Travis. How you doing today?
Good, Tim.
Well, Travis has been a Planet customer since you bought Kitchen Builder about how long ago?
10 years ago, something like that.
And you worked your way up into Solid Advanced, and then you kind of bailed on us at 4.0.
Correct.
And then you said, I need a router. What made you decide to get a router?
Couple things. One is just in the industry, I think that's where it was going. The main thing was to be able to do some more unique pieces, but also just to help eliminate the need for future labor. Also, one key factor was just to reduce errors with the current labor force. So it was really kind of to be able to produce what I'm producing, which is face frame cabinets, more efficiently, and be able to do some unique things to help differentiate myself from the standard cabinets.
What kind of machine did you get?
We got an on-through, got a panel mate 8, searched around for about 2 years. Really thrilled with the machine, made here in the USA, actually here in North Carolina. So been a really good machine, been a really good support and everything for it. One of the initial things when we were looking for a machine is was talking with on software, and it was looking like it was going to be a huge upgrade, and I was really hesitant on paying for the upgrade on the software to spring the machine. Was going to just go with a basic program to be able to cut parts. Tim came in and basically put his foot down and said that's absolutely one of the worst things you can do. No matter what you do, don't do the way you were going to do it. And talked me into going ahead and upgrading the Planet system to be able to run it screen the machine, and actually was the best decision made. It really made my life and I was up and running cabinets the same day that I got the machine based on that. So it was very much worth the upgrade. I was telling Tim earlier that I was figuring my whole payback on the machine and the software upgrade was going to be about 3 years, and we're under a year, and we're probably pretty close to already getting our payback on it. So it's been an absolute wonderful purchase.
Wow, Travis, I didn't expect you to say all that, but you pretty much eliminated any other questions I have for you. So you happy overall?
Oh, very much so. So I hope it keeps running long term, but always learning new things each time. And now I'm to the point where I want to start being able to do even more unique things with it. Now I've got it up and running. That was one of the keys. Was I wanted to be able to cut boxes, cut the MDF doors, do the things that I do on a daily basis. Needed to be up and running basically day one, because people talk about it being a real long learning curve, and it is a learning curve. But was up and running, and now I'm to the point where I want to be able to carve Tim's name and sign and send it to him for Christmas and all that other unique stuff that you can do with the machine. And we're looking at upgrades for an Alpha Cam and that stuff.
Alpha Cam Essential will be a good product for that. Now you can look at that.
Yeah, now I can look at that versus doing it backwards and going with the upgrade screen and machine. So,
all right, well, give yourself a little plug.
Travis Alfrey Woodworking. We're just outside of Pinehurst in North Carolina, and we do basically custom cabinetry, kitchens, all the typical stuff that custom shop does. But very much enjoy the face frame cabinetry and anything unique.
How can somebody reach you?
910-639-3553.
All right.
910-639-3553. Thank you.
Thank you, Travis.